Hi friends, welcome to my Learning Points YouTube channel. We have discussed about different types of PHP loop and structure. In PHP, generally we have four types of loop: while loop, do while loop, for loop and for each loop. In this video, I will discuss about PHP for each loop. So this is the basic structure of for each loop. For each loop only applicable in array, and this is used to loop through each key and value pair of array. For this loop, it is no need to separate specify any condition or increment or decrement operator. This loop will run until the array key present. Loop execution count will be exactly the same as array count. So let's take an example to more clear. For each loop only applicable on PHP array. So first I am declaring an array. The name of the array is suppose student, and I am adding the value in this array. Suppose the first value is the name, that is John, and the second value is 30, that is the age, and the last one I am providing the email ID, so john@gmail.com. Okay, now I am trying to print those value using the for each loop. So for each, that is the name of the array is student, and as that is value. So if we run this program, that means the loop will execute until the value present in array. So the first value is John, the second value is 30, and the third value is john@gmail.com. Means if you run this program, these three will print. So I am printing echo my value is $value. I am providing beer tag to print each and new line. So if you run this program, we can see our output. So here is my output. My value is John, this is the first value. My value is 30, this is the second value, and my value is john@gmail.com, this is the third value. So here the student is basically an indexed array. We don't need to provide the index, we have just provided the value. Now I am going to show you one example with associative array. For associative array, I am providing suppose name equal to John, and I am providing the age equal to 30, and email equal to john@gmail.com. So we can understand we are providing the keys and value. So this is the associative array. If we want to print the key and if we want to print the value, we can print with the for each loop. So I am writing here the key. So if we echo this, my key is $key, and value is $value. I am adding the same here to print a new line. So if you run this program, our output will be my key is name and the value is John. So we can print the key and value of associative array using for each loop. So here key is the index of array and the value will be the respective value. The loop will run until the key value will exist. Let's try it. Hope you understand this tutorial. Please comment if you have any queries. If you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel. Next day I will discuss about different type of PHP request. Thank you.